Yo, there's a boy.
Moses Kuria nĩahithũrĩtie akauga arĩho Gachagua akĩrĩha imwana cia Maina Njenga ikaiye mbũri cia Uhuru mwena wa Ruiru. Na nĩandĩkĩte nenda-inĩ akauga ũũ: Rigathi Gachagua has accused me during his tour of the US of funding and supporting Maina Njenga. I am guilty as charged. I learned from the best. I was in the room when Rigathi paid the same people money to steal Uhuru Kenyatta's goats from Northlands. Na kwĩ arĩa magĩcangĩire gũkũ comment section, Jemo Jason nĩaugĩte stealing of goats can't be compared by killing innocent people. Nake Maina John augĩte the last person to believe in the world is Kuria. Nake Magi Mobi nĩacangĩire akauga we were not wrong when we said this is Kasongo's project. Turakuonera 18. Kuria is a spy and his mission is to scatter Gachagua's support base. Daniel Wakahe nĩake nĩacangĩire akauga Moses Kuria, did you report the incidents to the nearest police? Nake Cyrus Kahara nĩaugĩte and what was your contribution to the same meeting? Tutigithie we gũtirĩ mũici na mũcũthanĩrĩria na mũici na kĩhĩa kĩna gĩakua.